Hi. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. And welcome to a little hungover moment. Went out last night with Andrew, which is always a time. We actually went downtown and went back to Mignon, which if you're an OG viewer, you may remember is a wine bar in downtown that I used to go to a lot. I loved it so much being back there. It was exactly how I remembered it. The food was just as good. The wine was just as good. The French woman who owns the place was just as sassy and wonderful as always. Freaking love her so much. But a lot of wine was consumed, and then we went to the bar next door and also consumed more alcohol there. So feeling a little hungover today. Should be interesting because it is a Wednesday, and so obviously I have work that I have to be doing. Sorry. So anyway, thought that I would share with you some of my favorite hangover cures today, and we could just spend a little hungover day together. I don't foresee this being the most productive day of my life, but we're gonna try to make a good stab at it. Actually, my number one hangover tip is to take ibuprofen at night before going to bed. I unfortunately did not follow my own advice last night though, so we're gonna have to do that now. So let's get up, let's get something cozy on to make us feel a little better and start to work on this little headache that I have going on. Got my nice cozy outfit on now, and I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare. My hair is just looking so frizzy and crazy. Absolutely knock on wood, but like this is really the only like active zit that I have on my face, which is pretty nice. I obviously still have like some little marks left over for ones that are still trying to heal or whatever, but oh, Molly, you're getting sick. Why do you have to do this right now? I know Mom's a little hungover. Okay. Okay. That's okay, I guess. Okay, obviously need a good amount of hydration going into my skin right now, so I'm gonna use my Hyaluronic Marine Booster from Dr. Dennis Gross. Sorry, Connor's on a call, obviously, if you can't tell from him blabbing away. Oh, that just feels so good on the skin, you guys. I can't even tell you. Gonna apply my topical lotion, just a little bit though, because you only really apply it to affected areas, and I don't really have that many right now. But just in general, I like to apply along my jawline because that's where I tend to break out the most, despite this little guy right here proving me wrong. Got that. Now we need a little bit of moisturizer. Gonna use my vitamin C. Some sunscreen. I'm just using my Supergoop glow stick, and of course, as always, just a little product in my brows because it makes me feel so much better about the way my face looks. I don't know why, because it really doesn't do that much, but holy hell, it just like the difference between this side of my face and this side of my face, like literally this whole side looks more lifted. It's so crazy how much of a difference that makes. Let's go get some hangover cures going. Well, I came out into our living area and got some anxiety about it just being a total disaster. So just stress cleaned. Sorry I didn't film it, but I was just feeling very anxious, so I just kind of went into a mode to fix it. So cleaned the kitchen, ran the dishwasher, cleaned the living room, and I'm feeling a little bit better now, just having a little bit more of a calm space. Definitely still having a little bit of anxiety though, so maybe some CBD or something to help with that. Two different waters, one just regular. Oh yeah, that's good. And of course, a liquid IV water. Oh yeah. Two things that I'm taking, ibuprofen, of course, and some CBD. Just these little CBD gel capsules. I max out at like 2 drinks, so I'm going to finish my liquid IV water first, and then we're gonna make a coffee. But hydration is number one for me when I'm hungover. So sorry. Okay, y'all, I need to finish off this liquid IV stat so I can get onto the coffee because I'm feeling myself fading here. Okay. Let's go make some coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Let's have some coffee. I don't want too much, honestly. This coffee can also kind of make me feel sick when I'm hungover. Wait, what am I doing? My brain. So So I'm just gonna make myself a small one. Sorry, I'm just gonna leave you over there while I'm doing this. Oh yeah, that's gonna bring me back. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna drink this and read for like a half hour before lunch, and then we'll go back to work after lunch. But my brain is not working, and I don't like to do work when my brain is working because the work is not that good, which I think is fair. So, you know, that's at least what I'm gonna tell myself here today. It's just gonna be one of those days, you know, it's not gonna be the most productive, but not the least. I actually got a little bit done this morning, so it's fine. So it's lunchtime, and I would typically never make something like this for lunch, but when I'm hungover, the rules don't apply. So here we are, we're gonna make some dumpling soup because that just sounds really nice, warm, comforting, like that is what I'm craving. So let's do it, shall we? I don't have any broth on hand, so we're gonna just be making our own broth. I have better than bouillon, so that will definitely do the trick. And I'm also gonna add like some garlic, some ginger. We're gonna see what I come up with. And then I'm gonna let this just start to heat up first. In the meantime, let's see what we have in here. So I'm gonna use, yeah, better than bouillon, obviously, and then I'm gonna use some garlic paste and some ginger paste. I feel like ginger is really nice when you're not feeling well. Usually I put kimchi in this too, but I'm realizing that we're all out, which definitely sucks. I do have some broccoli in here, so I'm thinking some broccoli would be good. Green onion, have you gone bad? Honestly, not that bad. So yeah, we'll cut up some green onion too. Guys, my hands are so cold. I know you can't see me, but I'm literally sticking them. I'll show you actually. So at the end of its cycle, our dishwasher opens and like releases heat to like help it dry, I think. And I'm just literally sticking my hands inside to warm them up. That's how cold I am at all times. Okay, let's do this. I'm hearing this start to bubble. I'm gonna start with the better than bouillon. A nice big spoonful of it, since this is like the main thing making our broth. Go ahead and mix that in there. Okay, that's looking delicious already. Better than bouillon. Like, I don't know why I slept on this for so long because it makes everything taste so freaking good. Now we need some ginger in there. It's just ginger paste. Release that in there. And also some garlic paste. Nice little swirl of that. Gonna make it taste so good, so deluxe. I'm gonna throw some broccoli in there now. A little brock moment. I love broccoli, favorite vegetable. What else? What else? I guess just the dumplings. We're gonna get some dumplings in there now. That's so hot. Really good though. I think you need soy sauce for a little umami moment. And let's get our dumplings. Chicken cilantro mini wontons. These are the freaking best for soup. They're just so mini and delicious. How many do I want? Like probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go with 6, 7. Sure, why not? Okay, now we're just gonna let that all cook. Really is a shame that I don't have any kimchi because that really does enhance this, but that's okay. These are the vibes though. Hangover recipe. So good. A lot of the times when I make soup, I literally put the bowl into my sink, number one, because I'm short. And so sometimes it's hard for me, depending on how heavy something is, to get leverage and like pour something. But also because I almost always spill. So this way, if I spill, I just spill right into the sink and I don't need to clean it up as much later. Yep, see, spilled broth. So there we go. Hot tip for when you cannot, absolutely cannot be bothered to be cleaning things when you're hungover. Finishing touches, I cut up the rest of the green onion that I had that was still good, so I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna put in a little bit of chili onion crunch because I feel like that just makes soups taste so good and adds like a little bit of an extra little bite in there, which is always yummy. I'm just gonna use like one of these little ramen spoons, that way I can scoop up the dumplings and eat them. It's gonna be so delicious. I'm so excited about this. Guys, please look at this cat. Like, ma'am, are you hungover too? What are you doing lying on the table? Like, as if you don't know that you're not supposed to be on the table, but you do it all day, every day anyway. So I don't even know why I bothered to tell you. Crazy girl. Here's the soup though. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. This is really gonna hit the spot. I think this really might bring me back to life. Does everyone else have to put their hair back when they eat soup? Like, it just is gonna get in my way. I can't deal with it. Okay, let's try a little bite of this though. It's actually still so hot, but I'm just too excited and hungry to wait. So we're going for it. No, I was 100% right that this is literally going to make me feel my best. I'm so excited about it. I was 100% right that my lunch was gonna bring me back to life. It did. I feel great, and I just had a very productive afternoon here, which feels really good. Got a lot done, a whole video done, a lot of other stuff that I had to take care of, so feeling excellent. And now it's 6 p.m. and I'm calling it for the day. Hi, Molly. Molly looks very desperate for attention, so let's go spend a little time with her. Hi, little.
I like her. She never is desperate for attention.
I don't never. Hi, Bean. Don't let Coco talk shit about you.
Yeah, I'm the one who does that.
Come on, girly. Molly, you're immediately on my seat. Well, I thought we were going to go out and hang out together. Come on. Come on. Get down. Good girl. Let's go. So dark out here. Jeez. Whoa. There we go. Hi, girly. Do you want to play, Molly Cat? I'll play with you. Ready? Good girl. Oh my god. Oh my god, Molly. You go crazy? You're so excited to play? Oh yeah. She is feeling it. Okay, I'll try it again. You're cute, you look. Oh, that's my foot. Saying hi to everyone. Say hi. You watching me play? Hi, my lovey. No, she's too hyper to give me any love. No love? I know, you're just in hunting mode. So silly. So I was just reading A Court of Thorns and Roses for a little while, and I just got to such a crazy part of the book. I'm absolutely dying. Hi, Molly girl. Hello. And I know I haven't been talking to you guys much about it in my vlogs just because I am recording a reading vlog, but I'm not recording a reading vlog today. Like, I'm not filming for it today. And oh my god, I was just so shook at this like revelation that I didn't pick up on immediately. Just so much shit's about to go down. I'm actually very, very excited to find out what the heck is gonna happen next. It's gonna be crazy. I am loving it though. I am very invested in this book. I definitely had my doubts. I did not think that this was gonna be my cup of tea, but holy hell was I wrong. Yeah, the fantasy.
Yeah.
Things have also started to get a little spicy in the books, which is nice. A little smut. Nothing too crazy. It's a little bit like fade to black, which always sucks in smut when things fade to black. It's like, give us the dirty details.
I can't wait for you to get nerdier. Join me in the nerdum.
But apparently this first book in the series, it like leans very heavily young adult, so a lot more like fade to black scenes. But the second book apparently goes very heavily adult, so I'm intrigued. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen. Connor's feeling a lot better. He's been feeling sick, and he is on the up and up, which I love, babe.
I know, I'm feeling pretty much a hundo P right now.
I love to hear it.
Energy's back.
I'm already scared.
Where are the sushi?
The seaweed?
Yeah.
So I had to buy these.
We don't have our usual clearly?
Yeah, exactly. So, got those.
Okay.
I'll be intrigued to see how these go. I mean, I'm sure they'll be fine.
What is the size of these?
They're like about the size of that package. So pretty much the size of like our hand rolls.
Okay. So they're, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of perfect. Kind of small, but it'll be fine.
Yeah.
We can have more of them. Mmm. They are really good. These are the teriyaki seaweed bites. They're really yummy. Mmm. First Sunday. I mean, no. Okay.
First Sunday.
I got distracted.
No, keep it.
Oh look, they're doing literally the same thing as us. Bon appetit. What are the chances?
Technique.
Yeah, look at this. Ooh, yeah, some
Maybe we
salmon
should get
roe.
some salmon roe
And
add
put,
it to one.
yeah, that'd be really yummy as a little treat one time.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, except they're actually rolling them into hand rolls, unlike
How
us.
do you, oh yeah, you just do it on an angle. Eh?
Yeah. Anyway, for sushi of 2023, here we come. I'm very excited. Well, friends, this is it. This is the end of the night. Connor and I are heading to bed, but I hope you enjoyed this little mini hangover vlog. Maybe you picked up a few little tricks for how to prevent hangovers or cure them. I definitely appreciate you guys spending today with me because it made it a little bit more bearable. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.